leaving Mendoza. Mendoza is such a pretty, beautiful city. But today we are off to Chile. I plan to go most of the way to Ushuaia through Argentina, but I've been told that for motorcycle and automotive related stuff, because of the taxes here and the dollar, the way the dollar is, it's a lot cheaper to get stuff done in Chile. So we're gonna head across the border to Chile. In order to do that, we gotta cross Paso Libertadores, I believe. What everybody's parking there for is just a view of the river. Oh, that's the town. I get it. The parking's for the town. Okay. Must be able to get in there. Oh, maybe not. Huh. We'll see what it's about. I don't know if I'm allowed to go this way, but we're gonna find out. Oh, look at all that. It's delicious. Okay, I see why they said to come. It's just a really cool little tourist town. Wine.
¿Cómo estamos, papi?
Hola, buenas.
¿Querés estacionar para almorzar? ¿Cómo estamos?
No, creo que no. Pero yo vi eso y que es delicioso.
Bueno, si querés podemos dejar la moto un ratito acá en la
Ah, ok.
Y almorzado, bueno, si venís a las termas, tenemos cámaras de seguridad, todo acá, ¿tá?
Gracias.
Dale, papi.
Muchas gracias. Look at that. Hola, buenas.
¿Hacia dónde viaja?
¿Perdón?
¿Hacia dónde viaja?
Santiago.
Muy bien. No pasé en doble línea.
Ah, ok.
Doble línea, pero te vi.
Ok. O sea, perdóname.
Ten cuidado.
Gracias. Hasta luego. I think there's train tracks underneath that, but I don't know. Oh, it's probably just to keep like snow and stuff off of the train tracks. That's what I think it is. I have no idea But I saw some other cars going this way. So I'm thinking maybe it's a cooler way. Wow. Very cool. Oh, my fingers are getting quite cold. I'm going to be skipping this line, I'm sorry to say. All the people are going to be very angry with me. ¿Es posible aquí? Y después ustedes. Gracias. ¿Sabe más o menos cuánto tiempo?
3 horas.
No.
Sí.
¿En serio? Spent about an hour creeping through the line. And the guy asked me, like, well, how long were you in the line for? And I told him about an hour and a half. And I asked him how long was left. He told me it was another hour to get through these cars here ahead of me. So I don't know how it moves this slow. This is just insanity. I check like every inch of every car. Sí. Oh. Sí.
Y ahí ya se puede ver, ya. Ok, ya. ¿Puedes mostrarme un poco hacia abajo ahí? Ya.
He said that they're not looking for drugs. Said it's an ecological island and they make sure no fruit or animal products come in. Oh, I guess yeah, he's picking that off. That does make sense. I was going to say, you'd hardly be hiding fruit. Oh, I know. You'd hardly be hiding fruit in your hood, but I guess stuff could get caught in there. Oh, that was honestly a bit of a fucking nightmare. Partially because I have a headache, but this 3 hours, they had no idea. They kept sending me to different places, telling me I was wrong, telling me, oh no, you have to do this, no, you gotta go back there, it's in another building. And I didn't expect it, just it seems like one of the more structured. Well, I'd very much recommend, if you're entering Chile, if you can avoid it, don't do it there. Just want to get down in elevation before the sun drops, so it's going to get very cold. Okay, so we've made it out of the snow-capped mountains and into the foothills of the Andes. The sun is rapidly setting. We got about an hour left. Man, it's so beautiful. It's like a fairy tale. All right, well, after a very long day, finally made it to Santiago. And incredible ride through the Paso Libertadores, but the border itself was just a little bit confusing. They told you to get in one line, but then that line didn't have everything. It's supposed to be Chile and Argentina, but I had to park the bike and go over to another line and hold people. Just surprisingly disorganized for such a really big, busy border. But the ride was absolutely beautiful through all the snow-covered mountains. Like, that's really cool on the bike riding through the snow-covered mountains. If you're going to do Paso Libertadores, I would recommend entering from Chile into Argentina. That way you don't have to wait for all the like agricultural checks and everything. It was just absolutely insane. But we finally made it. Really, really cool ride. I've dropped the bike off at the Honda dealership. There's quite a bit of stuff that I got to get done on the bike. It's got about 70,000 kilometers. Just got to do some TLC on it. I've done regular oil changes and everything, but needs a little bit of extra love. I'm going to do a chain, all the filters, the fuel, air filter, everything, and like the heated grips aren't working. Got to get that fixed. Just needs a little bit of love, that's all. And then after that, I gotta wait a little while, obviously, to get the bike back, and then we continue on Ruta 40. Gonna do a little bit of the Carretera Austral, heading south in Chile, and then cross back over into Argentina. It's just so much cheaper, and head south. So thank you so much for watching, and check back in.